The world is entering a silent revolution that most people are not paying attention to. While most individuals are still focused on traditional jobs, stable careers, and familiar industries, a completely new wave of wealth is forming in the background. History shows a clear pattern. Every time technology changes, wealth changes direction with it. From the Industrial Revolution to the Internet era, the biggest fortunes were always created by those who understood change before it became obvious to the masses. Today, we are standing at the beginning of another major shift. Artificial intelligence, robotics, clean energy, digital economies, and advanced health technologies are not just improvements. They are entirely new systems that are reshaping how money is created and distributed across the world. The shift from old industries to new wealth systems. For most of modern history, global wealth was concentrated in traditional industries like oil, gas, real estate, banking, manufacturing, and large-scale trade systems. These industries built the foundation of global economies and created stability for decades. But now, the structure of wealth is changing. The world is no longer driven only by physical production and traditional services. Instead, value is shifting toward digital systems, intelligent technologies, and data-driven ecosystems that scale at a completely different speed. What makes this transformation powerful is acceleration. In the past, industrial revolutions took decades to fully develop. Today, technological shifts happen in years or even months. This means wealth creation is happening faster. And new financial leaders are emerging much quicker than before. The pattern is consistent. Whenever technology evolves, wealth relocates. Those who recognize this movement early always position themselves ahead of the next economic wave. Artificial intelligence, the biggest wealth engine. Artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful economic forces in modern history. It is not just a tool, it is a complete transformation of how work, creativity, and decision-making operate across industries. AI is already integrated into healthcare, finance, education, marketing, logistics, and software development. Tasks that once required large teams of professionals can now be completed faster, cheaper, and at scale using intelligent systems. But the real transformation is deeper. While AI is not just improving systems, it is replacing and rebuilding them entirely. It allows businesses to operate with fewer limitations and expand globally without traditional barriers. This creates a new economic structure where value is based not on manpower, but on intelligent systems and automation capacity. Future billionaires will emerge from AI because it multiplies productivity at an exponential level. Robotics and automation. The end of manual limits. Robotics represents the physical evolution of automation. While AI transforms digital industries, robotics transforms physical industries like manufacturing, logistics, agriculture, and infrastructure. Machines are increasingly taking over repetitive and labor-intensive tasks that once depended on human effort. This shift increases speed, precision, and consistency while reducing physical limitations. As automation expands, the role of humans shifts from execution to control and design. The real value is no longer in doing the work, but in owning the systems that perform the work. Companies that build and control robotic systems will eventually dominate global supply chains, making this one of the strongest industrial foundations of the future economy. Clean energy. The global power transformation. Energy has always been the foundation of civilization. Every major economic era was defined by a dominant energy source: coal, oil, and electricity. Now the world is transitioning toward clean and renewable energy systems. Solar, wind, battery storage, hydrogen technology, and smart energy grids are becoming essential for global infrastructure. This transition is not optional, it is structural. Entire nations are investing in energy transformation because future economic stability depends on it. The most important factor is control. Energy is not just a resource, it is the foundation of all systems. Whoever develops and controls future energy infrastructure will hold massive global influence. This makes clean energy one of the most strategically important wealth sectors of the future. Digital economy, the new global marketplace. The digital economy is already transforming how the world operates, but it is still in its early stages of evolution. Today, businesses are no longer limited by geography. Digital platforms allow products, services, and entire industries to operate globally without physical infrastructure. One of the most powerful aspects of this system is scalability. A single digital product can reach millions of users instantly without traditional expansion costs. At the same time, digital ownership, virtual services, and online ecosystems are becoming increasingly valuable. The definition of value itself is shifting from physical assets to digital systems that operate continuously at global scale. This is why the digital economy is becoming one of the fastest-growing sources of modern wealth creation. Health technology, extending human potential. Healthcare is undergoing a major transformation driven by biotechnology, genetic engineering, AI diagnostics, and advanced medical systems. Instead of focusing only on treating illness, the future of healthcare is shifting toward prevention, optimization, and human enhancement. Future medical systems will aim not just to extend life, but to improve its quality, enhancing physical performance, detecting diseases early, and optimizing biological function through technology. As global demand for longer and healthier life increases, health technology will become one of the most valuable and essential industries in the world. Why early understanding creates billionaires. Across all future industries, one principle remains constant: timing is everything. Wealth is not only created by innovation, it is created by early positioning. Those who understand technological direction before it becomes mainstream gain a massive advantage. When mass adoption arrives, early participants already control systems, knowledge, and infrastructure. And this creates exponential growth instead of linear growth. This pattern has repeated throughout history, from industrial revolutions to the internet era, and it is repeating again in today's technological transformation. Future billionaire industries are not random. They follow a clear pattern shaped by technological evolution. Artificial intelligence, robotics, clean energy, digital economies, and health technology are not just trends. They are the foundation of the next global wealth shift. If this video helped you understand where future wealth is being created, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep insights like this. Because the real secret of wealth is not following the present. It is seeing the future before everyone else does.